Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to turn off light mode in Discord on your PC with the latest update. If you're tired of that bright interface and prefer a darker theme, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings. Once you've got Discord open, look for the gear icon. It's located at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to your username. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look for the appearance option in the left sidebar. This section is where you'll find all your display settings, including themes. Under the appearance settings, you'll see a section labeled Theme. Here, you'll have a few options to choose from. To switch to the darker aesthetic, simply select the dark theme. This will instantly change your interface to a sleek, dark design that's much easier on the eyes, especially in low-light conditions. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off light mode and switched to the dark theme in Discord. Enjoy your new look, and don't forget to explore other customizable features in the appearance settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord. Thanks for watching,